Hi, today I'll demonstrate how to create and assign competencies to a course, lesson, quiz, or question in LifterLMS. We'll use a course as an example, but the same process will pertain to all LifterLMS learning objects. A competency in general is a document that outlines the knowledge, skills, and aptitude attained or required to complete a task. Depending on the methodology, competencies are measured in KSAs, meaning knowledge, skills, and aptitude. Competencies can also have scales and be related to each other. If you're looking for advice on what information you can put into a competency or what format that information may take on, refer to our inline help found in the LifterLMS xAPI landing page. To create a competency, mouse over the WP Admin Courses menu and click the Competencies submenu item located at the bottom. In my case, I've already got a competency created. If you wanted to add a competency, you would click the Add Competency button. To add or edit a competency, enter the title of the competency and enter the competency information about that competency. Once your title and information are entered, over in the competency box, select either course, lesson, quiz, question, quiz, or tin can e-learning object that you have uploaded or linked into LifterLMS xAPI. Once that's done, click the Publish or Update button to assign this competency to that learning object type. To use a competency in a LifterLMS course, lesson, quiz, or question, edit that learning object. In our example, we're going to use a course, and we'll edit Course 1. Once in the learning object, click the Manage this course or lesson or quiz or question experience to access the xAPI panel. Lifter xAPI lets you select to record or not record each LifterLMS learning object. For example, here in Course 1 we're going to record Course 1. However, Course 1 may very well have a e-learning object in it, where you may not want to record Course 1, but you may only want to record that e-learning object that's embedded in it. If you choose to record a learning object as xAPI data, turn on the Record xAPI Data switch. Now that you've turned on the recording, you must select a competency. In this case, reading comprehension was assigned to the course type object, so it was the only one available in the list. All course type objects would show up in the course list, as all lesson competencies would show up in the lesson list, and so on and so forth. Now you can enter your custom label for this verb. In this case, I'm going to simply enter read. The end result of this will be that Dennis Hall read Course 1. Now we need to select a verb, an ADL verb. Now this list is a live list that comes from ADL directly. Every time ADL updates their list, this list will update with the information. So in this particular case, what we're going to do is we're going to select an appropriate ADL learning object for this, which is course in this case. With these entered, now you can move on and you can configure further information within the LifterLMS panels. Once that's done, click the Publish or Update button to complete the operation.